The OpenAI API was launched in March 2023 and provides researchers and developers with the ability to interact with sophisticated AI models for a wide range of tasks, such as image creation, natural language understanding, and more, enabling them to create creative applications and solutions for various AI tasks. To put it another way, the API is a helper that allows you to use OpenAI's smart programs in your project. For instance, you can add features like understanding and text creation without having to understand all the details of the models. Of course, OpenAI offers many interesting AI products beyond the popular ChatGPT. Here are some of the most interesting. Navan. Navan is the new generation of human-centric software. Their company travel and expense solution makes booking, viewing, and managing business travel and expenses as easy as possible. The company is taking advantage of OpenAI and the ChatGPT API to leverage the technology in both the user-facing and non-user-facing areas. For example, they are modernizing their contact center and streamlining processes across their codebase. Expedia. Expedia has implemented OpenAI's ChatGPT technology into its mobile app, enabling users to engage in free-flowing conversations and receive personalized travel recommendations. Expedia has developed a new plugin in collaboration with OpenAI that aims to simplify trip planning for ChatGPT users. The feature is being implemented worldwide and expanding upon existing AI features within Expedia's platform, but is currently only available for English conversations. Notion. Notion is a platform that offers a unified environment for thinking, writing, and planning. The OpenAI API enables integrations to interact with Notion's pages, databases, and users, facilitating connections between various services and enabling the creation of interactive experiences. Intercom. Intercom serves as a customer communication platform, allowing businesses to engage with their customers in a streamlined manner. Within this platform, there exists a specifically developed artificial intelligence bot named Fiend, which operates using a combination of various models including OpenAI GPT-4. Companies such as Vault, Trumpet, Hospitable, and numerous others rely on Intercom to facilitate seamless communication with clients. Intercom effectively enables organizations to provide an exceptional level of customer experience. Instacart. Instacart, an online platform facilitating grocery delivery, employs ChatGPT in combination with its proprietary AI and product data sourced from over 75,000 retail partner store locations. Such employment assists customers in exploring options for unstructured shopping objectives. Sana. Sana Labs utilizes advanced LLMs to offer self-paced courses and interactive group sessions, empowering individuals with the necessary expertise to enhance productivity and foster innovation. Sana has leveraged their own data to tailor GPT-3 models, which are employed for personalized training programs and evaluating team growth based on dependable data provided by Sana. Yext. Yext Chat employs GPT-3 and other generative AI models to enhance user understanding and response, retaining a conversational voice, AI and chatbot-like interaction style. Yext publisher partners include Facebook, Apple, Amazon Alexa, and more.